Yo, 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 what's
Gaming.
up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Call of Duty. Yun, medyo meron
What's
ako
up
sakit
guys?
ngayon.
Natin Playstation here. Nagbabalik na naman tayo sa panibagong video. So ngayon guys, kakalabanin natin si Dog ngayon dito sa Call of Duty guys. So yan,
Tingnan,
mag 1v1 kami dito. So yun
titingnan
guys,
namin kung
i-invite ko
meron
siya
ako
dito sa
improvement.
server.
Ano boy, pa-invite na.
Wait lang guys. Paano ba to? So, ito pala guys. So, mag-fleeting deathmatch na kami guys. Ayan. So yun, invite natin siya dito si Boss Aug.
Ayan,
Ayun guys, yan na siya.
ayun.
So, ready ka na boy?
Oo, feeling ko may improvement
Ready
ako.
ka na?
Onting-onti lang, as in onti-onti lang. Yung improvement ko, feeling
Game
ko.
na, game na. Game na guys.
Tingnan natin kung may improvement tayo sa last Call of Duty video ko hanggang ngayon. Bakit dito? Aray ko, ayoko
Walang
dito.
walang ano to guys. Ay! Naku po, ba't ibang map?
Ibang map.
Mali pa, mali. Leave.
Live, okay.
Leave bro, leave. Leave my little bro.
Aray ko.
This is a different map.
Uy, grabe. Ako yung MVP, Paldo.
I think we need a,
Ako MVP.
team.
Ako MVP, boy.
I think we need a new map.
Ayun na. Dito na. Let's go! Ito kaya gamitin ko. Yun.
Alright guys, time to recall the gun.
Ano mga rules? Ganun pa rin? Wala pasabog? Wala mga ganun? Sayang.
Let's go.
Teka lang, lucky na ako dito.
No, it's not fair, not fair.
Bakit not fair? Bumabaril nga lang ako.
You are too strong. Oh no, he's too strong. Like,
Why is bro
oh my
English mo?
gosh, oh my gosh.
Ba't ka nag-English, boy?
No. He's little too strong. Like, legit. Oh, he's the back on me.
Uy. Gulat naman ako, nasa siya.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna reload first. So I put the combo on my gun. Look ready. Oh, there's he is. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's running.
Sayang.
Yeah, look there, bro. Alright, where are you? Okay, where are you, bro? Bro. Oh, there he is.
Sayang, teka lang. AK-47 na.
Alright. Yes.
Grabe.
I knew you are. Hello guys. I'm live on Grow Garden last few hours, and you already watched it already. And there's updates. And hopefully you enjoy it.
Grabe.
No cheating, bro. No cheating.
Okay.
Oh no. Not reachable. Not reachable. Oy, wait. Nandito pala siya, guys. Oh my gosh. He using a SG. Using a SG. Oh my gosh. Not good, bro. Not good little bro.
Ha?
Not good little bro.
Paano ka nagbaril dun? Ah, okay. I see.
Not good little bro. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Nice shot, nice shot, nice shot. Oh,
Okay.
nice shot. Oh,
Whoa!
oh, too close. Oh my gosh. Yup. SK versus asshole. Let's go. Oh, the chat. Oh my gosh. Oh, the chat, the chat, the chat. Oh no, I got distracted. No, I got this. Oh my gosh, I got distracted.
Bro got distracted.
You got distracted. Oh no,
Sayang.
I
Hindi na sana ako nag-no scope.
call him on my computer so you can hear it because our call is on my PC. Oh no, I not reachable. Yeah, you need a bro. Oh no, he's on side of me. Oh my gosh. I said he's
Thanks for the gun, lil bro. Ay, never mind.
I'd
Hindi
win.
ko nakuha.
I'd win. Nice one.
Uy!
Ah,
How?
yes, let's
How?
go.
How? Ah!
Not reach. Oh no. Bro is winning. He's literally winning. Oh my gosh.
Bro is 9-11.
Bro is winning. He's winning. He's winning. Oh no, no. He got my gun. He got my
Let's
gun.
go!
Oh, he got my gun.
Oh, yun
Oh
oh.
no.
Ang lakas pala
He
nito.
got revenge.
Malakas pala to.
He got revenge. He got revenge. It's time for it. Right, it's time to choose sneak attack. Are you need a bro? He got my gun. Yeah.
I'm cooked.
Right, time for it. I to use this to increase our speed. Yeah, bro. Oh yeah, he's behind me. Nice, he's behind me, bro. Like, he's behind me. Yeah, I get it. Oh, it's getting. Oh no, no. Ah, no, 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 no,
Let's
no.
go!
Damn. Oh my god.
Tay?
He literally got me. Nah, the score is tie. No. Oh my god.
Plo.
Oh my gosh.
Plo.
Yeah, I can literally see that. I can literally see that. Yep, he's winning. He's winning. I think he's winning. I can see the source because recording button is blocking the screen.
So guys, hindi ko pala alam bakit si Justin nag-i-English speaking, tapos ako nagtatagalog.
They're using Tagalog. I'm just Filipino guys. I'm just Filipino. Filipino guys. So kanina guys, natawa rin ako guys. I'm using the effect on my computer while I'm live on YouTube. And I repost the TikTok so everyone got notified that I'm live. Oh my gosh. No more talk. god, no. Oh my god, no.
Ay, paano?
No.
Hell
Too
na, bro.
close.
Hell na.
Oh, it's die again. Oh my god. Oh. Wait, I gotta see everywhere. I gotta inspect everywhere. Moving up. It's moving up. Oh no no no.
Hindi ko.
Ah, already, bro.
And time to sneak attack.
Nope, 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 nope.
Wow.
Ay, no, I did the wrong thing. I did the wrong thing, bro. Sorry.
Okay lang.
Sorry.
Papatay
I did
na
the
lang.
wrong thing. I did the wrong thing. I accidentally pressed the TV. I'm sorry.
Okay lang.
Oh, speeding. Oh no no. No. Oh my god.
Uy, uy.
Oh my gosh.
Wala, la, la,
Oh
la.
my god. Oh my god. Not fair.
Na. I'm cooked.
No.
I'm cooked.
I'm win. Nice
GG.
game, little bro.
GG na.
Yeah. Nice game. Nice game.
Nice game, GG.
Nice game, bro. Nice game, little bro. Nice game, little bro.
Nice game.
Nice game, little bro, bro. So yun nga guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video that we are 1v1 with dog. So hopefully you enjoy, like and subscribe for my video,
Ah.
enter the notifications on, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok on TikTok and Facebook guys. So yun guys,
Same.
and God bless you all. So bye bye.
Bye-bye.